We are cutting the radish for Kakdoogi. Actually, the name comes from the sound of we cut the vegetables. Kak-doo.
That's why it's Kakdoogi.
So this cut is called Kakdoogi. It's about 3 cm to 4 cm, but it's actually up to you lah. So you don't need to really follow this size. And we also need to chop the onion. Cut it into the thin slice again. Okay, so we're gonna put some salt. It's best to use a sea salt, but I don't have sea salt, so
Just any salt.
yeah, just any salt. Put 3 spoons. 2 spoons of sugar. Water. Water is just about soak everything into. Okay.
So while we are waiting for this soaking in 30 minutes, we are gonna make the sauce, Kakdoogi sauce. Water, put it into the pot.
Flour, so we are using it. If you stir, you can see a little bit of sticky things on the bottom. So I will just boil for next 10 seconds and then stop it. Grinding all the ingredients for the sauces for Kakdoogi. We already kind of prepared everything here. 1 apple, which is already chopped, and 1 pear, 1 onion.
작은데?
Yeah, okay, unexpected. Now we are making the rest of the sauces. 10 spoons of chili powder. We need 150 milliliter of fish sauce. Shrimp paste that I brought it over from Korea as well. So we need 4 spoons of the plum juice. We put some pepper powder.
Chili powder. What did I say?
Pepper powder.
I'm too tired right now. I'm really tired. So this is a sauce that we made. So I'm gonna pour. I think it's too much, so I'm gonna put a little bit and then put some more later.
Now we are mixing all the vegetables that we chopped ahead. Yeah, and then putting more sauces. We call it 손맛. So mixing well is very important, and then very magically, sometimes depends on who's mixing it, the taste turns out differently.
I'm nervous now.
Yeah, see, but it looks really good.
Really good. The color.
Yeah.
The color.
You know what? Actually, this is almost done.
다 됐다. Finally, I'm trying Kakdoogi today. Normally, we leave Kakdoogi outside in the room temperature for 2 to 3 days to make it right. In my case, I don't like it too ripe, so I left it outside in room temperature for just overnight and kept it in the refrigerator for 4 days. And finally, I'm trying my Kakdoogi! Yay!